Smile and learn.
Did you know that the air around us is heavy? Yeah, it's true. And how do we measure that, you may ask? Stick around to find out.
Today we are going to learn about thermometers and barometers, which are some weather instruments that give us information about the air. Let's get to it.
Thermometer. As you know, thermometers measure temperature. But today, we're going to talk specifically about thermometers that measure the temperature of the air. Older thermometers had dark-colored alcohol, or mercury inside, which went up or down depending on the temperature of the surrounding air. Today, most thermometers are digital and measure temperature using electronic sensors. They usually give more accurate and faster readings than traditional thermometers. Usually, thermometers measure air temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on the country. Barometer. Remember I told you before that the air is heavy? But how can we measure it? With a barometer. The barometer is a weather instrument that measures atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? I'll tell you. The atmosphere is like a big blanket of air that covers all of Earth. We can't see it, but it's always there. Atmospheric pressure is the weight of that blanket of air that we feel pushing down on us. But that weight, or atmospheric pressure, changes depending on where we are and the weather conditions. On a clear sunny day, the blanket of air weighs more and presses down harder on the earth, so we can say that high pressure means good weather. On a rainy and stormy day, the blanket of air weighs less because the air is lighter and rises, forming clouds and rain. Low atmospheric pressure means bad weather. Barometers help us measure how much this blanket of air weighs at a particular time and place. Barometers measure atmospheric pressure in different units, like millibars, the inches of mercury, pascals, or atmospheres, among many others. Also, barometers tell us if there's going to be a change in the weather soon. For example, a big change in pressure can mean a hurricane or tornado is coming. Oh no! Why is it so important to have this information about temperature and atmospheric pressure? Well, it can help us in many situations. In leisure activities, because a change in atmospheric pressure can mean a change in the weather, and knowing it in advance can help us to better plan outdoor activities. In indoor comfort, because temperature outdoors is important to properly regulate the temperature indoors. This is key to our well-being. We still have a couple more weather instruments to discover. Stay tuned. See you soon. We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.